Let's go to the sports cars. TR4, MGA, MGB, MGC, MGA. They got mixed up here. Fiero, Ferrari, we saw that coming in. Opel GT, Datsun 240Z, Porsche 914, MGTD, A first, TD, but it should be TD, then A. I like your hat, by the way.
Thank you.
Austin Healy, Little Singer.
So I left and I started my own bag.
I'm sorry, that's a Triumph. Wow. That's unusual. Yeah, I missed that one coming in. Steve picked it up, of course. I'm going to jump a little bit. We got the race car class over here. I like that little Shelby. Oh, look at this Lotus Ford. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Well, like I said, you can probably
Stuart Bartley.
hook them 5-point harnesses together and you just pick it up like a shoulder strap.
We're too old
That
for
thing weigh
that.
like 600 pounds?
What does this weigh?
9.
No.
4 minutes. All right.
What formula did this race in?
It's its own series. It's called Formula Ford.
Ah, Formula Ford, okay. Yeah, I remember that was with the 2-liter.
No, it's 1600.
1600, okay. Oh, the Kent engine.
Ford
huh?
Kent engine.
Yep,
Exactly.
yep,
Yeah,
yep. Not that I know anything about
You
them.
sound like you know a lot about it. Yeah,
Nah.
this really started Formula Ford. This was built.
Uh-huh.
And, so it's a lot of fun. It's exciting.
Oh, of course.
Yeah. It's not the fastest car in
Not,
in our group.
yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing what a few years
Yes.
of development.
You have to excuse me. I'm going to run because I want to get some stuff over here. They're beginning to pull out. I don't want to get run over. Nice Healy. But I want to get over here so we can start getting these cars. Oh gosh. Oh, what a day.